Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to AAA Tech, your ultimate destination for tech tips, tricks, and tutorials. In this video, I will guide you through how to download and install VirtualBox in Windows. VirtualBox is a free, open source featureization tool that allows you to run multiple operating systems on your PC. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search VirtualBox. And go to the official website of the VirtualBox. Once you are on the home page, click on the downloads button. In the menu bar, on the download page, you will see several options for different operating systems. Since we are using Windows, click on the link Windows hosts. This will start downloading the VirtualBox installer for Windows. The file size is around 100 MB, so it should take only a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, go to your download folders and locate the file. Double click on the file to start the installation process. It will ask for the allow this app to make changes to your device. Click on yes. The installation wizard will open. Now follow these steps. Click next to proceed, and here accept the terms and license agreements, and then click next. If you want to change the installation location to installation location of VirtualBox, then you can change from here. And then click on next. You might see a warning about your network connection being temporarily interrupted. Don't worry, this is normal. Just click yes to continue. Okay. Click install to start the installation process. Now here you have to click on yes and then again next. Once the installation is complete, check the box and click on finish. VirtualBox will now launch automatically. When VirtualBox opens, you will see its main interface. This confirms that the installation was successful. You are now ready to create virtual machines and explore new operating systems on your Windows. If you are new to VirtualBox and want to learn how to set up your first virtual machine, let me know in the comments. And I will make a dedicated video for you. Now you have successfully downloaded and installed VirtualBox on Windows. It is a powerful tool that's completely free, and now you can start exploring its endless possibilities. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to AAA Tech for more amazing tech tutorials. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Jazakallah khair for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.